Welcome back to the channel. Next, car lunch. Imagine getting a modern hybrid or electric sedan that could deliver incredible fuel savings, low running costs, and premium technology without paying the price of a traditional American luxury car. The 2027 BYD Qin could be one of those value-packed cars that makes you ask one important question. Why spend more every month if a smarter option can do the same job for less? The 2027 BYD Qin is expected to continue BYD's strategy of combining affordable pricing, efficient powertrains, modern technology, and practical everyday comfort. One important point before we go further: the Qin is a sedan, not a pickup truck, so it is not designed for heavy load carrying. But for American buyers who need an efficient daily car, small business vehicle, commuter, or affordable family sedan, this could be a very interesting option. For pricing, we have to treat the numbers as estimates because final 2027 US specifications and pricing can vary by market. If BYD enters or expands the American market with the Qin, a reasonable estimated starting range could be around $20,000 to $28,000 depending on whether it is offered as a hybrid or EV and what equipment is included. In Japan, an estimated equivalent could be roughly 3.0 to 4.2 million yen. For other American export markets, including selected Middle Eastern markets, pricing could vary significantly because of taxes, shipping, and local dealer costs. Now let's talk about the biggest reason people will be interested: efficiency. If the 2027 Qin uses BYD's plug-in hybrid technology, real-world fuel consumption could be extremely attractive for city drivers. Depending on the battery, driving style, and charging availability, owners could complete many daily trips using mostly electric power, while the gasoline engine provides extra flexibility for longer journeys. That means someone commuting to work every day could potentially spend far less on fuel than with a conventional gasoline sedan. For drivers who choose an EV version, the savings could be even greater. Home charging is usually much cheaper per mile than gasoline, and there is no traditional engine oil change. That does not mean maintenance becomes completely free, but fewer mechanical components can reduce routine service requirements. And this is where long-term ownership becomes important. A car that costs slightly more upfront can still be cheaper to own if it saves money on fuel and maintenance year after year. BYD's battery technology and electric powertrain could make the Qin especially attractive to high-mileage commuters and small businesses looking for a dependable transportation solution. Inside the city, the Qin should feel easy to drive. Electric motors provide quick response when moving away from traffic lights, while the compact sedan shape should make parking and navigating narrow streets much easier than driving a large SUV or pickup. For crowded American cities, this could be a major advantage. On the highway, comfort and stability will be more important. The Qin is expected to focus on a smooth ride, quiet operation, and efficient cruising rather than aggressive sports car performance. That makes it more suitable for commuting, family trips, and business travel. For daily usability, the trunk and rear seating should provide useful space for groceries, luggage, tools, and smaller business equipment. But if your work requires construction materials, large cargo, or serious towing, this is not the right vehicle. A pickup will still be the better choice. Against an American competitor such as the Toyota Corolla, the Qin's biggest potential advantage is electrification and operating cost. The Corolla has a strong reputation, widespread service coverage, and proven resale demand. But if the Qin offers a significantly lower cost per mile and more standard technology for the money, it could become a serious value alternative. Insurance and resale are the big question marks. A new BYD model entering America could initially face higher insurance costs or slower resale because of limited market history and parts availability. Spare parts and service support will also depend heavily on BYD's American distribution network. Buyers should check local dealer and parts support before purchasing. But if BYD can solve those concerns, the 2027 Qin could become a surprisingly smart choice for budget-conscious American drivers. So, would you choose the familiar American market option, or take a chance on a technology-focused BYD that could save you money every month? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to Next Car Lunch, and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming car updates, new models, and future market automotive news.